I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: your Jio Fiber account details, the mobile number you want to link, and a valid ID for verification. Open the My Jio app or the Jio Fiber portal now, choose the account section, and locate the mobile linking or update mobile option. Once you tap that, enter the new mobile number exactly as digits. Make sure the device can receive SMS. This immediate action moves you into OTP verification, which is the next critical step. Once done, wait for the one-time password and enter it promptly. Delays can invalidate the OTP and force a resend. If the OTP fails, use the voice call option to receive a code instead. After successful OTP validation, confirm the linked mobile in account settings and update billing contact if necessary, because billing notifications and service alerts depend on this number. Make sure the service ID and subscriber name match your documents to prevent later. Final steps: save the updated mobile entry and look for immediate confirmation via SMS or email. If you don't get one, refresh the portal after signing out. Restart the router and app to ensure notifications are routed to the new number, and verify billing and support contact fields reflect the change. If things go wrong, clear the app cache, try on a different network or device, and only then contact Jio support with your service ID and time of attempt for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.